The O1 visa is for persons of extraordinary ability in the arts, sciences, education, athletics, television, and motion picture industry. The O1 visa is a non-immigrant employment-based visa classification for individuals of extraordinary ability in sciences, education, business, arts, or athletics, or individuals of extraordinary achievement in the motion picture and television's industries. The O1 application requires a preponderance of evidence that the individual has extraordinary ability. The evidence submitted must demonstrate that the individual is one of a small percentage who have risen to the very top of the field of endeavor. If approved for O1 sponsorship, the process requires the employer to file a petition for a non-immigrant worker, Form I-129, along with all the supporting documentation that the individual meets the O1 eligibility criteria. In many cases, even if the O1 application is approved, the individual must travel home, get the O1 visa, and return to the U.S. before being able to work in O1 status. The O1 visa is for persons of extraordinary ability in the arts, sciences, education, athletics, television, and motion picture industry. Short-term work visas are available to certain people doing specialized work, including the O1 visa for outstanding workers in the sciences, arts, athletics, education, or business. A job offer from a U.S. employer is a basic requirement for the O1 visa. There is no annual limit on the number of people who can receive O1 visas. The O1 non-immigrant visa is commonly referred to as 1. O1A, individuals with an extraordinary ability in the sciences, education, business, or athletics, not including the arts, motion pictures, or television industry. 2. O1B, individuals with an extraordinary ability in the arts, entertainment, or extraordinary achievement in motion picture or television industry. An O1 visa is a non-immigrant visa for people who have extraordinary ability in a specific field. O1 visas are initially valid for up to 3 years. They can be extended in 1-year increments, with no maximum limits. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, determines who qualifies for an O1 visa. 1. People with sustained national or international acclaim in the sciences, arts, business, education, athletics, or motion picture and television. 2. People who have received major internationally recognized awards, such as the Nobel Prize. 3. People who are members of prestigious organizations that require outstanding achievements. 4. People who have been invited to speak at major conferences or events. USCIS decides whether an individual qualifies for O1 classification. The O1 visa is employer-specific, which means that a USCIS-approved petition that was submitted by the employer only authorizes the scholar to work in the position specified in the petition filed by employer. If granted an O1 visa, you can typically expect it to be valid for up to 3 years. However, the specific length of your visa could vary based on the project or event you will be working on in the U.S. If you need to stay in the U.S. longer than your initial visa allows, you can request extensions in 1-year chunks. As long as you continue to meet the high standards of the O1 visa category, there is no limit to how many extensions you can get. Be sure to pay attention to the end date on your I-94 card, which is what they staple to your passport when you enter the U.S. This will tell you how long you are actually allowed to stay in the country. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. Green Card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, provide comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.